How to add friends in Clash Royale 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to add friends in Clash Royale 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is really quick and simple, so let's go. So what you need to do is to just head over to your Clash Royale app, and then from in there just click on this icon right this. So let's click on it. And from in there you can see your friends. So as you can see right now, I have no friends yet. So what I can do is I can connect my Supercell ID and play with friends. I can also invite a friend through here. So click on invite friend and it will open this. Let's copy the link and then you can send it to your messenger. You can post it on your Facebook right here. So for example, let's try to post it on Facebook in hopes for someone playing with us and clicking this link. So click on next. Click on post and you should be able to post this link and invite their friends. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add friends in Clash Royale. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.